Catalyst, instigator, spark, force, trigger. Yes, I'm talking to you, young person.
How long are you going to sleep on your dreams? How long will you let your vision be constrained by the boundaries set for you? Not anymore. Now is the time to define your own parameters. True change is a mind game. To embrace the next, you must release the data. Level up from the conforms of your circumstances
And embrace a new narrative.
a different thinking, a different code. Delete the notion that you need money for that or you're not educated enough and wake up to the reality of your own potential. You see, innovation is not an heirloom kept only for those graced with privilege. Innovation is your inheritance. With evolving technologies come evolving possibilities. Impossible is a myth. Instead, you shape what's possible. Embrace the truth that the mind, the tools, and the tech you have right now are all you need to create the future of your dreams.
Create that app. Start that business. Solve that problem. Your tomorrow is waiting for you to start today. The world is ready for bold ideas born from humble beginnings. So step up, take up space, and be a part of the digital revolution.